Hey, trumpets, horns, and clarinets. So we are going to learn our first 8 notes. You guys already have a page with that. We're going to talk about it here on our staff. So you guys are in treble clef, which means also the G clef. So always be able to find our G because it's right here where the loop hits on the treble clef. So we're going to write in our G, and we'll go ahead and write in the letter G. So this is your G. Now, instead of going up, this is the highest note y'all are going to play for now. So we are going to go down with our musical alphabet. All right. So this note right here, going down, is going to be F, if you look at your musical alphabet. And we'll keep going. What's the next note? E. Alright, so now you see, we're kind of out of lines and spaces. So now, what's really cool is you can actually add notes underneath. So this note right underneath, that's going to be, going down again, musical alphabet, D. Now, we're going to have to add something in because as we keep going down, if I just add more notes like this, we're not going to know where we are. It's going to be really weird. So we're going to use these things called ledger lines. So ledger lines are just added lines underneath the staff so you can keep track of what you're doing. And as we go lower. So we're going to add our first ledger line right underneath. This is going to be, keep going down our musical alphabet, C. Alright, now we're going to add another ledger line right here, and we're going to go below that for our next note. So it's not on the ledger line, which would be right here. It's going to go under. This is going to be, keep following our musical alphabet, B. And then we need to add more ledger lines because we're going down. So we're going to add 1 ledger line, 2 ledger lines. This note, keep going down the musical alphabet, is going to be A. And then we got our final note, so we're going to add our 2 ledger lines. And then this ledger line is going to go, we're not going to draw the note on the ledger line, we're going to go right under, just like we did here. And this is going to be completing our musical alphabet, our low G. And this is your first 8 notes, G to G, on your instrument.